Okay, I'm going to show you how to post a blog entry to the hiddenhillsroundup.com website. First, we're going to assume that you've already registered for the site. If you haven't, please go do that. You just go to the site, click register, put your info. At that point, we get an email. We know you want to blog for us. So what we do is we go in and we give you the proper credentials and abilities to be able to post and submit a blog. Once we've done that, we will let you know, and you will be at this point we are at right now. So what we want to do is you're going to come to the site, and if you haven't already, you're going to log in by clicking up here. And then you got your login screen. I've created a fictitious blogger named Blogger. I'm going to put the password, which obviously you put your username and password. And what will happen is once you've successfully logged in, the only change you're going to see to the site is you're going to see this gray bar up here at the top, this dark gray control bar, and you'll see your name over here. Now what you need to do to submit a post is go to New, Post, and it will take you to the page where you can create a post. So right here's your title. It's pretty self-explanatory. We're going to do a fake post. Why I love pancakes. And then you can go down here to the main area and start writing. I love blah, blah, blah. Now, for the interest of time, I'm going to delete that and take an article that I've already copied from the internet. You don't have to do this part, of course. And I'm going to paste it in here. Let's assume that I have now written all this, typed it in. What you can do also is this is kind of like Microsoft Word. So you can go in and you can highlight a word, and you can bold it, italicize it, do all those sorts of things. Now right now, I could basically move to post this article. I've got an article, I've got a title. That's really all you basically need except for the category. If you're blogging for us, it's likely that you're going to check Hidden Hills Lifestyle over here. Then you're going to go, and this is pancakes, so we're going to check food and wine. Obviously, if you're writing about equestrian, you check equestrian and so on. And that's all you really need for a basic post. Content, title, and checking the categories. At that point, you could submit it for review. Now, you don't post directly to the live site. When you write a post, it comes to us, we get an email, we take a look at it, and then we assume it's amazing, and we click publish, and it goes live. But in any case, for this post, we will save the draft because it's important to save your drafts as you go. You can always save a draft, come back later if you want. That's all fine and good as well. Now let's talk about images. If you have particular images you want to use on your post, you have two options. Number one, and this is if you only have one image, this is probably the way you should do it, is you scroll down here at the bottom on the right side, and you will click on Set Featured Image. That will bring up the existing images that are on the website. But what you're going to do is click Upload Files right here. And then there's a Select Files button, and this will open up the file manager on your computer. I already have the directory pulled up for this particular image I need. Of course, you can go through your files and find yours wherever, if it's on your desktop or in your documents or whatever. But anyway, I'm going to click on pancakes. Click open. It is going to upload my image of pancakes. There it is. And as you see, it's already highlighted and checked. So all I have to do is come down here and click Set Featured Image. And that will add the featured image to my site. A featured image is something people see throughout the site. If they see your title kind of on a page, they'll see that little pancake image. And of course, if they come to the site or to the actual blog post, they'll see that as well. We're going to preview this. First, let me save this draft since I added an image. We're going to click preview, and we're going to see what this post is going to look like. And there it is. So you will see here that we've got the categories that were picked: food and wine, Hidden Hills Lifestyle. You'll see the featured image, of course, and then you have your article. Now, when you preview, on most browsers, it will open up a new tab or a new window. Here it's opened up a new tab. This is my edit tab over here that I was working in. This is the preview. I'm going to close it. And I'm going to go back. And now you could just click submit for review and you're done. And that's great. all good. But since we're here, I'm going to show you how to do the image the other way. If you want to put multiple images in your article, if you want to put them in the middle of the article, all you have to do is go down here. You can remove your featured image. Then you go back up here to the main part, and you can find any location in your post, like right here. And of course, this is, again, like Microsoft Word. If I'm going to back up here, let's assume there's no spaces. You want to make a new paragraph. You just click wherever in your article and you hit the return key, right? Okay, so now I put 2 big spaces in between these 2 paragraphs, and I'm going to go right here and click in between, and I'm going to click add media. Now I've already uploaded the pancake image, so I'm not going to do that again, but if you hadn't, you could of course click upload files and go and upload it. But here we're already on the media library tab. I'm going to click on my pancake image, and I'm going to click down here in the lower right, insert into post, and you will see it pop right into the post. Now I will save this draft, and then I'm going to click preview, and you're going to see now the same exact post as before, except instead of using the featured image, the picture will be right into the body of the article. Now, you could do further things of editing. Let's say you don't like this all the way over to the left. I'm going to close this preview screen. You can go back and click on your image, click center. It'll center it, save it, and then, assuming this all works properly, once it's saved, I will hit preview, and you should see the article with the pancake image centered. And there you go. So basically, that's it. Once you're done, I'm going to close the preview screen. We're going to go back to our edit screen, and you're just going to click submit for review. You could always double check, make sure everything's correct, make sure your categories are all accurate and all that stuff. And you don't have to worry about any of this stuff down here. But that's it. Click submit for review. This little wheel will turn. Wait till it's done. Once it's done, we will get an email saying this has been submitted. We'll review it. We'll publish it, and we'll let you know. And any questions, email Lana Weber or myself. And thank you for blogging for your community.